Hi guys, in this video I am going to walk through an application Desmos. It is the best graphing calculator out there. It is available in Android, iOS and even web-based applications is also there. It's very useful for engineers. So I'm going to walk through an application. In this application, you can instantly get the result from the set of values you have. So for example, I am having set of X and Y values. You can add by the table. You can add the set of values from the table option. After adding the value, you will get this data like this, and you have to add the equation, general equation for the trend. From the trend I can know it's straight line, so I am using y1. It's only approximately equal to if you put equal to, then you will not get the exact result, so I am using approximately simple. So y1 is equal to mx1. So I am getting the straight line and slope, everything I got. If you want some extrapolation, as the engineers, we have to extrapolate the values from the straight line. If you want the extrapolation, then you have to press there. If I am pressing there, I am getting this value. You can see 5.96. So 30. For 30 I am getting like, you have to zoom and press it exact point. So 30 I am getting some values, so you can get the instant result. And also some preset graphs also there in the application. You can see slope and 2 point. For parabolas, you can already have default equation for various a values, for various b value, how the parabola will differ. So many presets are there, you can check. So you have to know the general form of the every single equation for power function and exponential function. If you know that, then you will get the instant result. And also you can change the range, which means the unit of the graph in this application, by pressing the settings icon. From this icon you can add the label also. It's time. So I can, in y-axis I put like concentration. So, and also you can set the range and the unit. So my values are range from 0 to 5. So I am putting like 10, and step is 1. So in y-axis the values ranging from 0 to 35. So your graph only shown for this value only, unit is 5. So you will get the same exact point, concentration and time. Thank you.